Today I am reviewing the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 is one of those devices that feels premium the moment you start using it. From its design to its performance, and even the finer details in cooling and user comfort, it is built for gamers and power users who want something reliable, fast, and future-ready. Alienware is known for crafting bold and futuristic hardware, and this laptop continues that legacy. The system comes in a unique blue finish, which instantly sets it apart from the typical black and gray gaming laptops you see everywhere. It has a strong, sturdy chassis that feels durable and expensive, yet the overall design remains clean, symmetrical, and purposeful. Nothing feels unnecessary or decorative. Everything seems engineered for performance. One of the first things that stands out when you power it on is the display. The laptop features a 16-inch WQXGA screen that delivers excellent sharpness and clarity. This display enhances any type of content, whether you're playing games, editing photos, streaming movies, or browsing the web. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smooth, especially in fast-paced games where motion clarity matters. Combined with 300 nits of brightness, the screen stays vivid even in brighter indoor environments. Colors look rich, details pop out from the screen, and the refresh rate gives you fluidity that improves gameplay and general use. Inside the laptop is the Intel Core i7-240H processor, one of Intel's powerful and efficient chips designed for both gaming and productivity. This processor allows the system to handle heavy multitasking, demanding games, video editing, and large workloads without slowing down. If you're the kind of user who jumps between a dozen tabs, streams videos, listens to music, and still wants to play a high-end game, the Core i7-240H handles everything smoothly. It offers responsive performance that stays consistent over time, which is especially important for long gaming sessions or long workdays. Complementing the strong processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 with 8 GB of dedicated VRAM. This GPU is powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and includes the latest AI-driven improvements. It delivers much better efficiency and smoother gameplay across a wide range of modern titles. Games like Fortnite, Valorant, Apex Legends, and similar fast-paced shooters run extremely well at high settings. More graphically demanding games also run smoothly when settings are adjusted for balance. The RTX 5050 supports modern technologies such as DLSS, ray tracing enhancements, and improved AI rendering, which means you get better visuals, faster performance, and improved stability in new and upcoming games. Even outside of gaming, this GPU is great for creators. Tasks like rendering, animation, AI tools, and video editing feel faster and more fluid. To keep all of this powerful hardware cool, Alienware has included their redesigned Cryo-Chamber cooling system. This system focuses airflow directly onto the components that generate the most heat, like the CPU and GPU. The result is better thermal performance, quieter fans, and fewer temperature spikes. What's even more impressive is that Alienware was able to improve cooling without adding a bulky rear thermal shelf. Instead, the laptop keeps a clean and compact design while still delivering excellent airflow. During long gaming sessions, you can feel that the cooling is effective because performance stays consistent and the system doesn't throttle. The laptop includes 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which provides fast response times and smooth multitasking. DDR5 memory is significantly faster than previous generations, and it shows when opening applications, switching between software, loading games, or managing large workloads. Along with this, you get a 1 TB SSD that offers quick system boot times, fast game loading, and plenty of storage for files, applications, and multimedia. This combination of fast RAM and large storage ensures that the laptop feels modern and responsive. Alienware has also paid attention to comfort and usability. The streamlined design includes thoughtful ergonomics that make the device more comfortable to use over long periods. The keyboard feels solid and satisfying. The trackpad is responsive, and the laptop's overall design helps manage heat without making the surface uncomfortable. Even after extended gaming sessions, the system remains easy to use. Battery life varies depending on your workload, but for a gaming laptop with this level of power, the endurance feels reasonable and practical. Another major advantage is the included Dell Onsite Service. With 1 year of on-site warranty support, you get peace of mind knowing that if something goes wrong and cannot be fixed remotely, a technician will come directly to your home or office. This level of support is rare for gaming laptops and adds tremendous value to the overall package. It shows that Alienware and Dell stand behind their product. The Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop AC16250 brings together strong performance, a beautiful display, modern graphics, reliable cooling, and a premium user experience. It is a machine designed not only for gaming, but also for daily use, productivity, creativity, and long-term reliability. Whether you're entering the world of PC gaming or upgrading from an older system, this laptop delivers a powerful, well-rounded, and future-ready experience that feels worth the investment.